Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I diagnose a bad starter or a starter relay solenoid or a solenoid relay that has gone bad. This will be done on a 2019 Kenworth T680 MX13 EP17. Stay tuned. So here's the situation, guys. I've been having a little starting issue, and I first found out that my starter solenoid relay was bad. How you can tell that it is bad? When you turn the key, you don't hear a relay click on. There should be two relay that be clicking on. One will sound on the inside of the truck itself, and one should sound underneath the hood. So if you don't hear the one underneath the hood itself, that indicates that there is a bad starter solenoid or a bad starter relay. So after replacing the starter solenoid relay on the starter itself, I still encounter the issue, and this is the issue I'm talking about. When you turn the key, make sure the truck is in neutral, because as we all know, the Kenworth won't crank over unless it's in neutral anyway. So when I turn the key on, I get nothing from the starter. I can only hear the relay on the inside, as you can hear. Only the relay on the inside is clicking on. And if you continue to do this, you're going to get the error that you should let the starter cool down because you're over cranking it. That's the overcrank protection that is on these year truck. So I'm going to show you guys how I dealt with the issue, because I was picking up a load in Tampa and I was stuck on the loading dock. But I got the truck to start, and now I'm home, and I'm going to show you what I did to get home. So what you're going to need is 2 screwdrivers, and for safety reasons I left the truck in neutral, and you want to turn the key to the on position. Also, I dropped the landing gear, and it's just for protection so that the truck don't run away. So let's get underneath the truck. So now I'm under the truck. You're going to locate your starter, which is this guy. Recently I replaced my starter solenoid relay, which was this guy. So now the starter solenoid, which is this one right here, it's bad. So this is what I did to get it started. If you can look on the starter solenoid, maybe the camera not picking up, you have the positive terminal. This is what leads to the positive post on the starter itself. Then you're going to locate this wire right here. This wire, it is connected to the starter solenoid. This wire, this is what gets the ignition from the starter solenoid relay to turn the crank on the truck from this starter being engaged. So what the intention is you want to skip both this, and you want to send power to this post. So the 2 screwdrivers is, one is going to be on the constant 12 or the live, and then you're going to use the other one on this, and the truck should start. So let me try and show you that ordeal. So as I said before, make sure the truck is in neutral, make sure the ignition is on, and also make sure that all your parking brake is on. Also, if you want to chuck the wheels, and I suggest to drop the landing gear. As I said, it's just precaution and a peace of mind. If you're not comfortable doing this, if you're stranded on the road, you can always call a roadside. But being me, and based on the price that I've seen, where people have been paying like $2,300 to get it replaced, a starter is like $500 or $600, $400, depending on where you buy it. And yeah, but this is just to show you how I got the truck started so that I can get home. Yeah guys, and as you can see, the truck is started. So that's what I did. That happened on, yeah, that happened to me on Wednesday, which was the 17th of April 2024. And after I got the truck started, I didn't turn off the truck. I don't normally idle the truck, but I have an OTR tool. In the morning before I drive out, I do a full regen so that I don't mess up the DPF system. Also, when the truck was idling throughout the night, I just up the RPMs as high as it can. Or you do that, you turn on the cruise control, which is this guy right here, and then you turn it up so the idle is up. That will prevent the truck or the engine cylinder head from not getting enough oil, so that will make it get more oil, so to keep it safe somewhat. So I made it home on the 19th. So yeah guys, that's what I had to do to get home. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to replace the starter. So if you had found anything useful or valuable, please leave a comment, a share, a like. All of that help the channel. I'm trying to grow it as best as I can. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, just keep trucking. Peace.